How to buy PHYGITAL the Phygital times. So before we start, this is not a financial advice. I am not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, do your own research. So this is their X account. Now to be able to buy this coin, just go, this is their website. Now go to DEX Screener. Now connect wallet. Now select the wallet, I will select Phantom. Now here I will enter my password, and now we will click on unlock. After that, click on connect, and now as you can see here, you can buy it and you enter how much of Sol you want to buy to be able to receive this phygital crypto. Now another way is by going to Phantom Wallet and now click on swap. Now here select the Sol. Now here search for your phygital like this. This is our coin. Now click on it, and here from direct way enter how much of Sol you want to buy. This is how much you will receive, and this is the Jupiter provider. And if you click on it, now as you can see, you can click on it, and now you can click on swap, and you are now be able to buy this phygital, if I remember, yes, phygital coin crypto on your Phantom wallet. So as you can see, so what about this coin? So the phygital token connects you to the Phygital Times by LV agency, and this UI phygital art projects bring in the physical and digital realms in art, sports, entertainment, marketing, AI, Web3, blockchain, cryptocurrency, and luxury, high net and worth individual and beyond. Minted on Solana, this token is your gateway to the future. Embrace the revolution. The future is now. So this is how to buy the phygital token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.